Hi Nagma. We are here in Bangalore's IT corridor and we are surrounded by the children of the migrant community.
All of that to get children to engage tactically with, use tactile work and just be with their culture. Yeah.
Soumya, these are also children that come from difficult homes, bad financial conditions. So, how do you make sure that they truly, bachpan manao, as we say? How do they let go of all of that and come here and enjoy?
Yeah, though, so our experience of the past 10 years has been that all that we need is to give a lot of love and care to children and give them a lot of opportunity to learn through play. And in line with X-Steps mandate and objective, and we've been seeing play making a lot of difference to children who definitely are coming from traumatic backgrounds. So we are seeing a lot of difference in how the children's well-being is being taken care of through play. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you, Soumya. Yes, so we are here and we see children painting, we see big bottles of paints, and we have the volunteers that's helping them with that. We also see them making small kites using a lot of tact here. With Soumya, there's also Rizwan Ahmed, who's another co-founder of Gubachi Learning. So thank you, Rizwan. So tell us a little bit about what's the kind of impact that you see when, children learn through playing, the kind of experience that you are having right now. Could you give us any examples of some children that you would have trained in the past?
So what happens is this: we work with particularly migrants, and these are the children who don't have access to so many things. When we give them this opportunity, they can to grow with that, and we know how helpful it is, playful, and the childhood. It's so critical years for a child to grow. So we have of the past, if you see our impact, we have seen a son of a painter who has migrated from Bihar, interior Bihar. Today he's doing his bachelor's in technology. So that's the impact we see. That's you should give the opportunity to them through various ways and what you call occasions, so that they also can get an opportunity, use that, and then grow.
Great. This is the learning center in the outskirts of Bangalore, and these are the children truly manawing the bachpan today by learning and playing.